Welcome to the Massachusetts Cannabis Industry Portal, also known as MassCIP. In order to apply for your license online, you will first need to create an account. To create an account, click on Create Account. Then fill out the Create Account form, including your first name, last name, email address, username, password. Just make sure that your password is at least 10 characters long and has one uppercase and one lowercase and one number. Then read the terms and conditions and click on I agree. Complete the CAPTCHA. Click on Create Account. It is highly recommended to provide an alternative email address to improve the security of your account. If you don't have it, you can just skip this step. You will be redirected to your user profile, where you can start applying for your license. You will also receive an email that confirms your registration.